What we are asking the governors, if you are able to deal with the human resource working in the health sector, why don't you say you are devoted to do that and hand over the docket back with the national government so that the parliament can be able to do the necessary, can take the necessary steps and ensure that health becomes a national function. Because if it becomes a national function, they'll be able to deal with the human resource, and I think even the Kenyans will be happier on the kind of services they'll get from our health sector.
Mheshimiwa William Ruto akae chini na aongee vyema na madaktari, na kama kuna uwezekano kama ni pesa anasema hakuna, ile yenye alikuwa anataka kuweka kwa mjengo atoe kwanza awekeze katika wizara ya afya.
Na tugethie na mbere nake governor wa county